Look at this. These are whooping cranes, or Sandhill Cranes. Jack, there are 2 Sandhill Cranes at our back door. Move really slowly. Unbelievable.
Riley, Kylie, quiet.
Isn't that something? I bet they want the food in the, feeders. Or maybe they want water.
Oh yeah, water.
Yeah, the pond. I don't know. They sure want something. Just to get perspective how close they are. I mean, this is my back door right here. Yeah, suet. Yeah, I got suet feeders on that tree. Yeah, they're looking for the droppings. That is unbelievable. Isn't that amazing? They're just magnificent. I wish I had a zoom on this thing. They usually spook so easily. Look at that. Maybe he's gonna come in. Unbelievable. I cannot believe this. Hi, fellas. Hi, you gorgeous birds. Hi. Just stand in front of him, kind of block his view or something. Wow. Well, good morning to you too. Shoot through the screen. Yeah, I knew they were coming. Wow, what a magical moment. I love stuff like this. Well, I guess that's probably enough. I don't think they're going to do much. That was just amazing.